Y'all worshiping the devil, the evil ones. Religious people. You see? That's why y'all project that. That's why y'all project that onto us. Those of us that did the work and freed ourselves and we can see the truth. Yeah, they want you to think that we are crazy. Of course it's gonna be crazy to you, because you live in an illusion. We are truth seekers. We question everything. Y'all don't want to know. We want to know. That's why we tap into the knowing. You see what I'm saying? That's why you tap into the knowing. Beautiful souls. Peace, peace, family. Much gratitude for y'all tuning in. We rise. We rise in oneness. This is about one love. Unity. See, y'all religious people gonna be out there by yourself, destroying each other, cause it's happening. No matter what. I love y'all still. Because at the end of the day, we gonna learn. We're gonna learn. You're gonna see the truth. No matter how you feel about it, the truth don't care. Say this a lot. The truth don't care how you feel about it. It's still gonna be real. Jesus is Lord. That's on you. Get on your knees. Yeah, you're a God. You should be shameful. You've been taught to disrespect yourself like that. Been taught to disrespect yourself. Getting on your knees praying to another God. Gods don't worship other gods. We honor other gods. I honor y'all, but I do not worship. See what I'm saying? I honor my reflections. The only thing that you should be worshiping is yourself, because you are God. You are everything. The truth ain't gonna sit right when you're living a lie. Peace be with you. I love you. This ain't your conversation, so you might as well stay your ass out of this. Point blank period. Because I ain't come here to argue. The truth ain't got no time to argue. Time is an illusion. The truth ain't up for debate. The fuck you was told? Come over here with that bully shit, trying to bully people into believing what you believe, because you've been bullied. You've been bullied. Go over there in your own fucking corner and continue to believe. Continue to believe what the fuck you want to believe. That's your free will. We over here with the truth, questioning everything, tapping into the knowing. That goes to show you. That goes to show you y'all miserable. We at peace over here. Reflections, I say. Bling bling on their fucking ass. Shine y'all light bright on their darkness. They big mad. Shine y'all light bright on their fucking ass. Put your foot on their neck with their hateful ass. Low vibrational beings. Want everybody to be low vibrational with them. The fuck? Man, we rising. Man, you better stop sleep. Better stop sleeping on yourself. Better stop sleeping on your self-reflection. You better stop sleeping on yourself. You are the one. We are them ones. It's up. It's up. It's up. If anybody want to purchase any jewelry, my link is in the bio. I got some beautiful jewelry made with love. Everything high vibration. Everything made with love. Charged up. Everything charged up. The link is in the bio to the website. Y'all go check it out. And I appreciate everybody that's been making their purchases. Come get your charge up on. Everything high vibrational with love. Vibrating high. Protection. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Ain't no stopping us. It's over. It's over for them. That's why they're attacking it. But they ain't doing nothing but making us more and more powerful, because we see it for what it is. We're going to transmute that negative energy. We are alchemists. Remember that. You are the creator of your own reality. Energy is energy. You choose to do with that energy what you want to do. Let their hate benefit you.